Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jewlz MUA here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jewlz MUA fam. Now I know my face is looking I know my face is looking blunt and all, but a girl made a trip to Harrods, and just wait and see what I have inside. So right here they have wrapped up my package. And right here we have the Chanel Water Fresh Tint in Deep. And we also have the #1 Chanel foundation in the shade BD121. So I'll be demoing these two for today's video. Okay, so upon opening the box, inside we have the Water Fresh tint, and this is what it looks like. I've heard so many good things about this, so I can't wait to try this out. And it also comes with a mini brush. It's so cute. Now this is priced at, I believe, £51 for these two items. It is not bad for the price, and it's Chanel, so what do we really expect from Chanel? So this Water Fresh tint comes in 6 shades. It is priced at £51. The shade that I did pick up once again is in the shade Deep. And I'm just gonna pump that at the back of my hands, and this is what it looks like up close. Wow. It does have a faint scent, nothing too dramatic, but let's apply this to the face. This is meant to give me like a glass-like finish. I forgot to prime my face. Let's start over that. So I just kindly wiped off that part of my face, and I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream as a moisturizer to moisturize my face. This is one of my all-time favorite moisturizers to use, other than the Bobbi Brown. For primer, I'm going to take my P. Louise Hydrate the Heartbreak primer, and this primer right here does remind me of the Huda Beauty Hydrating Primer. The way how it feels, not the color definitely, but just the way how it feels on the skin and how it lasts long on my skin. Now to take the Chanel Water Fresh tint once again, and this is meant to have a little bit of coverage, but obviously as you can see it has a little bit of pigment in there. So let's see how it looks, taking the little brush this time, and I'm just gonna apply this on. Now right off the bat, definitely it's not covering anything at all, but it's meant to give a lovely glow to the skin, and right now a glossy skin is in. So let's see what it does for me. Right off the bat, it is giving a lovely glow to the skin, and that's how it's looking. I don't even have to be up close for you guys to see the glow. I think I'm gonna make this sit on my face for a bit, and then I will go in with the Chanel foundation. Okay, now that I've made it sit for a bit, right off the bat, it does not feel tacky. Is it transfer proof? No, it's not, but it's not doing much other than you can see the little gloss on the skin. It hasn't dried down fully as yet. As you can see, there's a little bit of wetness right here, but it is very nice. It's looking very dewy on the skin so far. I'm going to take the Chanel #1 foundation, and this foundation comes in 20 shades, and the price is £55. The shade in this once again is a BD121. I'm praying this foundation is my shade. I have watched a few reviews on this, and this is what it's looking like so far. Apply this foundation. I'm going to use my P. Louise 782 brush to apply this. Hopefully it is my right shade. Right off the bat, look at the coverage. Right now the foundation is not looking like my perfect match, but the coverage, look at this side compared to this side, like wow. And this is just one pump so far. Hopefully this does oxidize, meaning it does get darker. Okay, the foundation shade looks like it's adjusting to my skin. Look at that. Without foundation, with foundation. My skin is looking lovely. And this, I believe, is meant to be a matte foundation. So the glow underneath is giving, it's giving life. Just doing one more pump on this side. I'm just patting this foundation in. Okay, now look at this side and that side. Chef's kiss. Foundation does have a scent, but it's nothing bad. There's nothing you can't handle. It's not overpowering, but it does have a nice floral scent to it. Bringing you guys up close and personal, it has covered my dark areas, so the coverage is really good. And it only took around 2.5 pumps to cover my whole entire face because there's still product on the back of my hand. Okay, as you can see, this foundation has adjusted quite well to my complexion from side profile. This is looking superb. Hey guys, so this is the end results of today's look. I hope you guys do love how it's looking. Right off the bat, I feel like I really and truly do love the hype that this is giving, that natural glow from within. The only thing is I do have oily skin, so I will have to come back with an updated video on how this holds up during the heat. Foundation as well eventually adapted to my skin in color, as you can see. Please do comment down below and let me know what you guys think. When it comes to this, I know you don't have a lot of shades, but it has a very sheer coverage, so it's not really a foundation. It's more of a glow within, almost like the Charlotte Tilbury glow, flawless glow, and it's almost like the elf glow. So it's one of those products that give you that glow from within type of vibe. It is quite annoying to know that there's only 20 shades in this foundation, but there is 3 other shades that's darker than this shade. So someone that's 2 to 3 or even 4 shades darker than me will be able to find their foundation shade. The good thing is I also do think this foundation adjusts to your complexion. So I don't know what kind of thing they've put in this product, but as you could see how it adapted to my skin, even with the undertone. If you're able to pick your shade up, I would highly recommend. Everything is impeccable with this foundation. So we finally reached the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please do comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about these products. If you guys were thinking about picking it up, or after watching, if it has convinced you to purchase. Please let us build a conversation down below.